If you've ever made a mistake in Google Calendar and instantly wished you could take it back, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to undo and redo changes in Google Calendar step by step so you can quickly fix accidental edits without stress. This is a simple but really useful skill, especially if you move the wrong event, delete something by mistake, or change the wrong details. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and sign in if needed. Once you're on your calendar, go ahead and make a change. You can move an event to a different time, edit the title or description, or even delete an event if you want to test the undo feature. As soon as you make that change, look at the bottom of the screen. Google Calendar usually shows a small notification with an undo option. This is the fastest way to reverse your last action. Just click undo immediately and Google Calendar will restore the event or reverse the change you just made. If you changed your mind again and want to bring that action back, look for redo in the same notification area if that option is available. Clicking redo will apply the change again. Now, if the undo notification disappears before you click it, don't worry, you can still try using your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl+Z to undo the most recent change. This is a handy shortcut that often works when you miss the notification. To redo this change, try Ctrl+Y. In some browsers or systems, Ctrl+Shift+Z may be the redo shortcut instead, so if one doesn't work, try the other. A quick tip here, undo and redo in Google Calendar work best right after the change happens. If too much time passes or if you make several other actions afterward, the option may no longer be available for the original change. So if you catch a mistake, act fast. Also, remember that not every change behaves exactly the same way in every browser, so it's worth testing these shortcuts once so you know what works on your setup. And that's it. Now you know how to undo and redo changes in Google Calendar using both the on-screen notification and keyboard shortcuts. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.